Hold on, let me set this down. There, now we're back. Hello, Pierre. How you doing today? Why did Tom just came right away? Why Tom always gotta come right away? Oh, good. We got 2 breaks. Yes, no. We're gonna keep getting lucky. Yes, no. Pierre sounds. Tom sounded a little bit robotic when he came. How did that Tom come? No. Did Tom just miss a word right there? He did. I heard that. Oh, he came. Oh, he did that again. Why, Tom? Why? Can't you just stop doing it? Good. Finally got a break. No. Let's hope we get no time. Stop doing it. Tom ain't coming right now. Let's get a break. Tom ain't coming. He hasn't come. Why? What the? Come on, dude. How did you miss a word? You did that last year and you're doing it again. This'll be the end of this video. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.